The crew from Peak was just phenomenal. They were so nice, so friendly, and so courteous. A year ago, I started noticing that things were rolling downhill downstairs. I had a few water problems, so I took up the carpet and I noticed that I could put my feet between the floorboard and the floor. It's a floor that's gone down 2.5, 3 inches, and I had a crack going that way across my wall. It just buckled. I was really nervous. I mean, it's a wall that's buckled in your house. How often does that happen? So when I was at the home show, my girlfriend was teasing me because I had this list and I had this book and I had the pictures going, here's what I have, how can you help me? Everybody I came to said, oh yeah, we can help. Oh no, as soon as I'd see the wall, except for Peak. They were going, yeah, we can actually do that, we can actually work with that. They were really nice. They came out and gave me an estimate and walked me through it, told me everything that they were going to do. Peak came back the second time saying, okay, here's what we have, here's what the price is, here's the financing, let me help you with the financing right now. They were out here 2 days, but the actual lifting process didn't feel a thing, and I was inside the whole time. It was so smooth. They really went the extra mile and made me feel comfortable, really comfortable working with them. They're very happy. I would definitely recommend them to anybody.